Hi, and welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we are going to be covering writing to files using Python. Let's begin. Go ahead and open up Atom. In Atom, in your Rex Python folder, in your Imports folder, create a new folder, and we're going to call this OS, which stands for Operating System. And now in our OS folder, we're going to create a new file called writing files.py. Okay, awesome. So the first thing we're going to do is import our operating system module. So import OS, and this comes with every version of Python. And if you're on Mac, this will automatically know that you're using a Mac and will work with your operating system. And if you're on a Windows, it'll do the same. So it's like a good way for whatever universal system you're on to use their operating system. And once you import operating system, you can now work with files on that operating system. So first, let's create some data that we might want to send to a file. So I'll create a data variable, and actually I'll just put in a string saying I am writing this in Python and sending to a txt file. Okay, so I've created some data. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a file, and I'll call it f. And to do that, once you import operating system, you'll now have this open function. This open function is just going to take two parameters, a file name and the mode that you're going to be opening it. So it says file and mode. So file name, we'll call this one rex.txt. And to write it, the mode is W+, and that means write mode. And there are a bunch of different modes that are available, but we'll just be going through writing this time and reading in the future. So in order to write, you're going to put W+, and this will just even create a file even if it doesn't exist. So once you open and create a file, you can now write your data to that file by calling your file and using the write function and passing in the data. Then you need to save the file. And to do that, you run f.close. And this will save your data to the file and close the file. So let's try it. I'm going to go ahead and run this program. It ran. And look, I have a rex.txt file that says I am writing this in Python and sending to a txt file. It worked. Great. If you don't see your file here, go ahead and just search on your computer for a rex.txt file, and it should be somewhere else on your operating system. All right, well that's it for today. Congrats. I'll see you in the next video.